cut your loss.
I got a box. I got a box, and I got a box for you.
Oh, it's Christmas.
Hey, do you want to look in my box?
I want to look in your box.
Ooh. We are on the quest for four-wheel drive in the Bronco still. We're going to the shoot.
Shoot!
And with this part, we think we can get four-wheel drive back. We had to get a hub bearing, and it's expensive.
Will you kiss it with me?
Ooh, that would be weird. So we're still trying to figure out the four-wheel drive issue, but he's doing a whopper chopper behind us. So we actually got a code that we know what's going on, we think. So what we got is a wheel bearing for the Bronco. The code we're getting is a tone ring. That is involved with the wheel bearing. So we're gonna take a chance, an expensive chance, but that's fine. It wasn't my money, it was Bronco Man 6's money. So we'll just put it on here for him, and well, if it doesn't fix our problem, I don't know when we're going back to the chute, but we'll figure it out. So first things first, we gotta remove the caliper and the rotor, get them out of our way, and take off the CV nut, and then the wheel bearings in there somehow. We're not professional here, but I'll guarantee you we'll do it the right way, by trial and error. More error as I try. So you just take out two bolts, remove the caliper, and then remove your rotor. And this is the guy right here. This is your wheel bearing. Almost unattainable. You know, it's hard to get. You gotta call around. The wheel bearing, bolts in from the back side. So 4 more bolts, get the axle nut off there, and we'll see if we're right or if we're still wrong. It's hard to say. Well, now it's time to compare. So what we're looking at is, well, this is the old hub, and this is the new hub, wheel bearing assembly. And well, we're gonna put this one in and take this one out, because this one's shiny and this one's not. And we think this one's bad, but this one's good. So if this one's gooder than the badder one, then this is good to put in the Bronco and restore four-wheel drive. Put your caliper back on and your rotor. But that's how you switch the wheel bearing. Super simple. Here's the thing. How do you know you can't fix your Bronco if you don't work on your Bronco? So, find out what parts you can break and then try to replace them. I'm not a professional, but I can tell you everything about the independent front suspension on a 21 plus Ford Bronco, because my guy Bronco Man 6 has allowed me to expand my knowledge of these tame ponies. I hope this works. I don't want to turn wrenches anymore. I want to go off-road. Because the CV broke, and then the intermediate broke, and then we drove it home, the diff got all full of metal, so we replaced that. We just hope that this is the final installment on the search for four-wheel drive on a 21 plus Bronco that just didn't go up the chute that day. If you were to play this video in reverse, you'd watch us put on an old wheel bearing. But let's go find out if we got four-wheel drive back. I think you got it.
I think so. That's a no.
Did you get it?
That's a no from me.
That's a hard move. Here, I'll pump it. You stay there. Working on Broncos. It's fun? Fun?
It's fun. It's fun working on Broncos.
Broken Broncos.
Broken Bronco garage.
Garage. We're the epicenter. Hey, dude. Look at that dirty face. Whoa.
Got it.
Got it. Coming down. Watch your fingers. Boom.
We have four-wheel drive now.
Most likely.
We do.
Let's go find out. What do you think? Gonna have 4-wheel drive?
It's gonna do it.
What do you think? Gonna have 4-wheel drive?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, let's go find out if we got 4-wheel
We
drive.
vote yes. Please don't say no.
We don't know if we have 4-wheel drive. But we're gonna go take it for a test ride and hope the lights clear themselves. It should. Maybe. Hopefully. So we still got lights on the dash. You know, super unhappy. Is the Abyss's light still on? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, now is the moment of truth. Have we completed the quest? Park aid fault. That's a new one.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not?
No.
Oh, what happened?
It needs aid to park.
We need a lot of aid around here. Help me. Yeah, 4-wheel drive is back. Woo! ABS light is off. We won.
We're not good at this.
We're going to the shoot.
Shoot! Can we go right now? 13 hours.
13 hours. We're coming for you right now. Had victory to this point. One time.
One time.
There was a lot of victory before we broke, but now there's the victory of the broke is fixed.
Can we calculate the cost of this fix?
Sure. Bronco Man's gonna share some expenses here. We'll tally them up.
We need them to count though, because we can't count.
Yeah, numbers are hard, too high.
Front diff, 17?
Yeah.
1700. Wheel bearing, 300. CV shaft, thank you Trail Militia, but I bought another one. 250 bucks.
If we were to do labor, how much am I worth to you, Bronco Man 6?
Another $10.
Cheap. That's fine.
That's what friends are for.
That's right. Yeah. Find good ones.
A good dinner.
Yeah.
Let's talk this out though. All the memories?
No. Countless.
Priceless.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I was there when you broke. I drove right up the obstacle after you broke, and I learned that you broke. Yeah. And I was sad, but at that time we only thought it was a CV shaft.
Yeah,
you know, it wasn't that bad. Not a big deal. We've broken before. But then it just started snowballing. And
can I give a shout out though real quick?
Yeah.
Shout out to Broncbuster on this, because one, you helped us a ton when we were there, but secondly, I was one of your first customers as an early Bronco owner, and I have never broken a tie rod. I've never broken a rack, but I have broken a diff and a CV shaft. So can you get that part worked on so I don't break those again in the future, please?
Yeah. Upgrade your Broncos and you move the foul point, you know.
Yeah.
But the fact of the matter is what you said. We had a great time fixing it.
Can climb some rocks.
So let's climb these. We're gonna parking lot crawl right now and see if the 4-wheel drive works. We'll update you. We officially have GOAT modes. So the thing they don't tell you when you break all these components, your GOAT modes go away. Yeah, you have an ABS light on, you're done, bud. Go put it in the parking lot. Boom. Stay bar disconnect, that's working now. Hit that front locker button. Boom. And it lights up orange. When it doesn't work, it just goes to a white light of like, you know, hey, you suck. So let's climb some rocks. 4-wheel drive. Once again, restored. Ah, I'm telling you, I can tell you everything you need to know about the independent front suspensions on a 21 plus Bronco.
Did it work?
Nope. Pretty fed up, if I'm honest with you. My emotions are not in a good spot. I'm as Ford Bronco as they come. I look around my house. I have them everywhere. But I'm getting tired of this new Ford Bronco. Sorry I cussed. I think I might just sell it.
Just cut your loss. Maybe let's try being mean to it.
We can do that.
You know, it broke when you're being mild to it. So if we're mean to it.
You want to go up the... I don't think it'll make it up the mini chute.
The mini chute. Hey, let's go to the mini chute. see the front wheel spin?
We're just messing with you! Four-wheel drive works on this thing again! Yeah, it works.
Four-wheel drive once again.
So now we have to have a
Drop
hub.
everything we're doing, and we're going to the shoot.
The shoot, let's go. We'll be
Done.
there in the morning.
Snake.
You're lucky you just fixed my shit. I'm deathly afraid of them, and I'm afraid to get in my Bronco now.
I'm totally joking with you. I was getting my exit plan.
I think I high-stepped it, dude. Did I high-step it?
My man, Bronco Man 6, how's it feel to have a functional 6G Bronco once again?
I'm coming to the shoot.
The shoot! We are coming for you, and you will see that on our next adventure. Get off the couch and go create one. We'll see you next time.
Bronco Adventures.